Hey Joshua, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about three different items. First being content, second backlinks and keywords. Third thing I want to talk about is citations, but before we get into that, a little bit about myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Scenic Spark SEO and I love helping and small businesses grow. With that, let's get to it. I punched in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico. I went, but before we get into that, these are the three top spots organically, and this is the map pack. This is where you want to be. So um, I looked and looked and searched for your business, so I could not find Bright Ideas Electric. I went all the way, I think, to about 100. So in order to find yours, we got to type yours in. Bright Ideas Electric. So that way we could take a quick look at your site. Now here's your website right here. Let's click on that and have a look-see on that. All right, now as we look to your website, I notice you don't have any tabs, um, anything up here where we can click on. What Google really looks for is content. Now, if we had about 1,500 to 2,000 words, Google really loves that. So it's like they crawl every 24/7 every day. Google crawls these bots. They always look for content. So that is why you see um, up here your competition, which is Wagner Mechanical. That's why they're up here organically. So let's take a quick look at their site and kind of see how theirs looks like. Um, you didn't really have too many words, so we couldn't really plug it into the word counter. But these guys here, they have about 700, just by looking at it, about 700 words of content. So with that being said, that's why they are up there in content. So as for you guys, there's like zero content, so Google can't put you guys on the map. So that's pretty much what I'm thinking. The content of things is why you're not ranking. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. Now there's this tool, it's called Ahrefs, that we use. You could purchase this yourself. It is totally up to you. Um, but mainly what we want to look for is the UR, which shows the strength, and the DR, which shows the trust that you have for Google. So this is basically a live view of your site. So I plugged in your website. You have 49 backlinks going to your site, 22 organics, not too high on the strength or the trust, and that's only because you're not out there. But let's kind of look and see. Okay, let's look at Wagner Mechanical. This is who we'd want to beat. Now, um, they have 122 organics, 40 referring domains, and 61 backlinks. Now, we have access to all this. Now, if you go into their organic keywords, now all we have to do is get all their keywords that they're using for their website, and along with their content, they're plugging all these keywords into their website. So that's allowing them to rank in the fourth position. Um, we have um, we have access to this, so we could definitely plug and chug in all this information into yours. We also have let's get back here. We have all the backlinks they're using. So basically, we could tie all those backlinks into your website. You have 49. So I mean, it just depends like what they're using, and we have access to all this. So that's the good thing. So basically, if they have 61 backlinks, we could just put 70 in there and be done. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much all I have for you as far as backlinks and keywords are concerned. Now the third thing I want to excuse me discuss with you is I like to talk about citations. Now when I talk about citations, now if we go into here and type in electrician Albuquerque, that's basically what your customer is going to basically punch in. Uh, Definitely get for your business. Fish in Albuquerque. Sorry, I had Alamogordo in there. But this right here, it's called the Map Pack. Now we are talking about citations. Now what a citation is basically it's a digital footprint for your business, like a phone book. So it's digital. So excuse me. So McDonald Electric, we would have to beat these guys. Basically, they optimize their website 100%. So that's pretty much why they're ranking um, up there. And they use keywords to embed into their different photos within their site. So I have not uh, looked for yours, which is Bright Ideas Electric. I have not looked under here, but you're not in the top 20. So, but you get what I mean. These guys are all at the bottom as well. So basically, in a nutshell, all we got to do is beat out McDonald Electric, see what they're doing, and then do one up on them better. So that's basically all we have to do to them, or excuse me, to beat them. So with that being said, that's about all I have for you, Josh. I hope this information is valuable to you. You can use it any way you choose. You can get a hold of me if this is something that you need help with anytime. If not, no harm, no foul. So with that, Josh, I hope the rest of your day is good to you, and talk to you soon. Bye.